All right, so I already took it out of the box. It comes in this container. You just lift up the lid, and the cartridges, they're sterile, which is great. And they have the 16 needle one, and it also tells you the expiration, which would be March 29th of 29. And then we have the 36 needle one, so they have different types. And then this one's 16. So they have quite a bit of refills, which is great because you only are supposed to use this once a month, no more than that. And it comes with this little sleeve, and the pen itself looks really nice. This brand is an authorized seller for Dr. Pen, which I feel like is a pretty known brand. So yeah, here's the button where you charge it, and it comes with the USB, and this is a Type-C cord for charging. So and it's kind of nice. You can put everything back after you're done and just keep it in this container.